Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting upcycling DIY for you all. I'm turning this empty makhana box, yes the kind we usually throw away, into a beautiful handmade potli bag. If you love crafts, recycling and saving money while creating something stylish, stay tuned. Let's start by prepping the box first. Make sure it's clean, dry inside out. As you can see, this box is very huge for making potli, so I am marking the points to make it bit short. With the help of cutter, I am cutting the extra part out. Be careful while doing this step. Next, measure the height and circumference of the box. This will help you cut the right size fabric to wrap around. Cut a piece of your fabric according to the measurements, leaving an extra little margin for the folding. Now you can hand stitch and can even apply glue evenly across the box and gently wrap the fabric around it. Smooth out any wrinkles and make sure the ends are nicely folded in. Tuck in the fabric at the bottom and glue it securely. For the top edge, fold the fabric inside the rim. Let's make it look even more beautiful. Here I am using different kinds of laces, tassels and a few beads to give it that traditional festive look. You can glue or even you can stitch from hand. You can get as creative as you want here. Use old jewelry pieces, fabric flowers, sequins, anything you have at home or in your mind. The decoration part is done. Now comes the fun part, which is to make this potli bag functional, adding loops on both the sides to attach handle. And I directly made a potli bag, taking proper measurements of this box. Next, all the process you can see in this video, how I decorated the handle and attached the handle. And here it is, our upcycled, eco-friendly, super cute potli bag made from something we usually throw away. If you like this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, share it with your fellow DIY lovers, and hit that subscribe button for more creative crafts every week. Thank you.